नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 के रिजल्ट के बारे में। और ITC होटल ने Q3 रिजल्ट डिस्क्लोज कर दिया कंपनी ने, और पेड जंप 77% YoY टू रेस टू 135 करोड़, रेवेन्यू रेस एंड 47%। जो कि ITC होटल ने कंपनी ने जो ITC कंपनी Q3 का रिजल्ट डिस्कस कर दिया, और जो पेड जंप्स हुआ है 77% YoY टू रेस 235 करोड़, रेवेन्यू रेस एंड 47%। और ITC Hotel reported a 77% jumps in it is the consolidated net profit to reach 235 crore for the quarter ended on December 31, 2025 on the Thursday versus the rest 133 crore in the year ago period. The profit after tax paid is attributable to the owner of the parents. The company revenue from operation the surged 47% in the company revenue from operation surged 40% in Q3 financial year 2026 that's 1,233 crore compared to that's 839 crore in the year ago period. The bottom line the increase by the over 9% sequentially in the quarter under review versus as 215 crore in Q3 financial year 2026. While the top line saw a 21% upsticks the against rest 1015 crore in the same period. The earnings were announced during the market hour, and ITC Hotel share were trading at rest 182.80 down 1.33% around 2:15 p.m. Also up from the day's lows and of rest 181. ITC Hotel and Hospitality arms of ITC Limited and incurred expensive of the rest 870 crore in Q3 financial year 2026, which was up to 70% quarter on quarter versus rest 740 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 and up 24% YoY compared to rest 700 crore in Q3 financial year 2025. The expenses were reported under the heads like foods and beverage cost, real estate developments, and cost and employees benefit. Expensive among other things. The hotel business the revenue which the accountant for the lion's shares of top line stood at 1,133 crore, up from less 995 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 and rest 823 crore in Q3 financial year 2025.